and then you can reproject it to the slave image, and then they will form a line. For example, maybe, let me just randomly draw it. Maybe it's a certain line over here. I should use the green. Alright. And this line has a term which is called epipolar line. Epipolar line. Epipolar line. And then, if right now you have the two perspective center, and this is the baseline, and these 2 points, and one target point, for example, the B point over here, then they will form a plane, right? 3 points in the three-dimensional space, you can form a plane. This is called epipolar plane. 和面。和面 epipolar plane. So this epipolar plane is epipolar plane. So two images, and then two perspective center, and there's a target image, so it can form a plane. And this plane will intersect with your image plane, and that intersection will be one line, and that line will be the epipolar line. That line will be the epipolar line, right? Because that indicates, say, so if you want to integrate, intersect with the B point over here, which means that this is a light ray that you want to intersect with, and how can I make sure that which pixels they can intersect with this light ray? So you can reproject the whole light ray, this whole master image light ray, back to the image 2, and that line will cover the pixels that has the possibility to be intersected with your original light ray. So that's what we call the epipolar line. So back to the original question, earlier question that Ray was asking. How can we limit the search region or search area? So what I'm trying to say is that the epipolar line is where we can make sure that these are the pixels that can form the geometry, that can form the same image geometry that the light rays can intersect. So what we can do is we can, instead of opening a searching window, we can just compare the correlation coefficient on the pixels along this epipolar line. We can just move our moving window along this epipolar line, because those are the pixels that can form the required image geometry, right? Which means that the two light rays, they can intersect. Okay. So in this case, you can largely reduce the time that you need to to spend for the image matching. Okay. All right. Any question? All right. Think about this because we haven't finished everything about the image matching. So we will continue the discussion next week. So the other thing before you guys leave, next week because here they will renovate something, so we are forced to move to the second floor, one of the second floor classroom I think beside the ladies' room, ladies' washroom, for the second floor over there. So we will move our class to there for the next week, okay? Because here is some renovation going. We'll have some renovation going. And that'll be it. And any question? Second floor. There's no classroom for the first floor. Yeah, not the large one, the second floor, the smaller one. Yeah. Any question? No? Okay, if not, then that'll be it. And see you guys next week.